It's the end of the day, and I'm predicting a big move here in the market. I'm going to show you guys a trade. I'm thinking it's a possible short. We'll see. I'm going to show you guys the live trade, my entries, my thought process, what I'm looking for while I'm in the trade, and all that fun stuff. Trading in the Topstep Combine right here, and we're going to break it all down right here in this video. So, stay tuned.
Yeah.
All right, so we're looking here end of day. The market kind of pushing up to that 14 level, getting stuck. So looking to see if we can sell down to the 900s here. Being my target end of day. Let's see what happens here. Kind of chopping around this 10 level right now, but still looking bearish, like it wants to sell down. Not really getting that pop up. Getting denied multiple times there at the 14s. So I think if we stay below the 14s here, we're going lower. And like that 3,900 area would be our target for this trade. Kind of works out perfectly, getting that 10 handles to the downside here. But are the sellers exhausted? We'll find out. Actually, I'm going to jump in long here. I think this might squeeze up now. That push up above the 20s. Be my target. Got about 20 minutes left in the market today. See if we get a little end of day squeeze. Need those bears to get covered before the end of the day here. Try to push up the 20s. Get above that 15 level. 15 level right now acting as resistance here on the Bookmap. You can see on that Bookmap right now just kind of what's going on there resistance-wise. We eat through that resistance. We go to the 20s here. I'd say a very good chance of pushing 20s. Now up there to the 15s. Need those buyers to start to come in there. Need some buying pressure. Come in here. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and tune in 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We'll be live on YouTube, doing it live. Staying alive. All right, let's get back in the action. There we go. Starting to get some more buyers coming in. End of day. Shorts getting squeezed right now. Everybody who shorted the end of day has to cover now. Look for that move up to the 20s. Just going to hang on to this and look for that move to the 20s. Momentum looking good. It wants to go. Can it do it? Got 15 minutes here. Push that 20s or higher. Up there to the 17s now. Looking for 20s to push up to the 21s. Look to take a little bit of profit up here. 21s. See if we can get a little bit higher. I think we can go 22, 23. Take a little bit off there. Having a little bit of trouble there, but still momentum looking good here. MACD just crossed on the 3-minute chart. So let's give it some more room to run. Pulling back to the 15s here. A little buyers on the Bookmap at the 15s. I think they're trying to sucker in some more shorts down here at the bottom just to squeeze them out here in a second. That's what it looks like. I see some selling pressure coming through, but we're not really moving down. Moving my stop up. Just guarantee we lock in at least $225. But looking for that bigger move here. Up above the 20s. Got about 12 minutes till the end of the day here. Got about 10 minutes left here in the market. Can we get that 20 break here at 350? Got about a minute till 350. There's that 350 push up there to the 21s. Beautiful. I knew that was coming. I told you they were going to sucker in. So we took some profit there at the 23s. Looking for more. Up to the 25s, 26s. Beautiful. Taking some more off there. I'm going to move my last and final stop to the 21s. We're guaranteed at least $500. That was our target. Trying to get this to push and stopped out there at 21 for that final $500 in profit. Beautiful little trade. We stayed through it. We got a top sell of 25. Sold there at 22. So that 21 pullback there. Kind of watching to see what happens here. If we push back above 24, I might look to take another trade here. So breaking down this move, what we had going on, why I thought we could push up. So we had this overall trend. You can see the MACD crossed on the 3-minute chart. One of my perfect setups that we always talk about on the channel. This is not a secret setup. So we had that move up. My target was very simple. We had a target of that 50 EMA. We had the 21 EMA and the 8 EMA. So once we got above the 8 EMA, I'm like, okay, now let's look to get long. I was looking for a breakdown to the short side. I saw that we were getting buyers on the Bookmap, a lot of buyers showing up on the Bookmap all of a sudden. So I was basically sitting there looking at the Bookmap, and I'm like, well, so I went from being short at the 9-10 level to basically covering there for break even and then getting out of that trade as I saw those buyers coming in there on the Bookmap. We ended up holding that 10 area. We ended up getting back up there. My target being that 30 level. We got to 27. I'm not mad about it. Overall, had the patience, did what we needed to do, and locked in a beautiful little trade there, showing you guys exactly kind of my thought process. Like I said, I was thinking we were going to go short, that this was going to break to the downside here. But once I saw that we were just kept holding, I'm like, okay, screw it. Let's get in. Because you can see we kind of pushed up. So the idea is we're going to push up to that EMA there, and then we're going to roll off. But instead, we kind of had that candle right here. This, you know, we had this doji candle right there. And then that next candle, bigger, fuller body, green. We had the MACD cross. And then I'm like, well, I'm definitely not going to be short right now with momentum coming back in to the buy side. So that was pretty much what I'm looking at. The 3-minute chart, kind of my go-to strategy. I talk about this all the time. 3-minute chart is the chart that I'm looking at for my entries, my exits. So there it is, once again, proving patience pays, my friends. Have that patience. Have a plan. If you're going to get on a trade, you're going to set your risk. All right, that's my risk. I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to let this go. I have my target. I'm looking for that 10-handle move. We got that 10-handle move. We literally got right there. I was thinking like, damn, I'm an idiot for not taking profit. But then I was also like, no, we're going to hold this. And we ended up getting, another 3 or 4 handles to the upside. I mean, it went to 27. We got sold at 25. It's at 21 right now, 22, pushing again. I mean, it just pushed up to the 26s. I think the trade idea was solid. We had overall plan. And, well, we were just like looking for kind of a bigger move. I was thinking maybe 30, 40 level could have been end of day push up, similar to the move yesterday.